This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra case haul. Let's kick things off with the Ghost Case 2 from Dbrand. Really beautiful clear case slash rugged case. Has that really nice rugged bumper along the edge with ridges and grooves, so you can always have a great grip on your phone. Has those cutouts for the microphone at the top and for your charging port, and it is MagSafe compatible. It comes in at just 1.8 millimeters thin, and it has drop protection up to 12 feet. This is the Ultra Slim Aramid Fiber case from Aulumu. Definitely one of the coolest cases I've seen for the S26. It features aerospace grade Aramid fiber for really strong protection. It has that really cool aluminum alloy camera frame, and it comes in at just 1.2 millimeters thin. And it's MagSafe compatible. I also love that it has the cutouts on the sides so you can feel the actual buttons of the phone, and it has that cutout at the bottom for a super easy access to the charging port. This is the Magbak Elite case, a super premium case that is built for just about every situation. First of all, it is rated for shock absorbing and can handle a drop up to 6 feet. It has a built-in finger loop that you can pop out for extra grip at any time. It also has a built-in kickstand that you can use for easy hands-free viewing in the portrait or landscape position. It also has grips that run along the side of the phone, and those grips, along with the power button and the finger loop, are all customizable. You can actually pay a little bit extra when you order to get different colors, which is awesome. And the best part is it has these built-in magnets that will allow you to stick it to any metal surface. It will also come with an accessory you can use, so it's easily mountable in your car. This is the Ultra Classic Hybrid Magnetic Case from ESR. Really beautiful clear case and very strong and durable. It actually supports military grade drop protection up to 16 feet, which is crazy. It is MagSafe compatible. It also has a hidden kickstand that is built in that you can pop out at any time that supports hands-free viewing in the landscape position. This is the Cyber Tough Magnetic Case from ESR. It's very similar to the last case I showed you, except it's even stronger. It has 7 times military grade protection, and this one can withstand a drop up to 23 feet, which is insane. It's MagSafe compatible. It also has that built-in kickstand, and it comes in 3 different colors. This green, it also comes in a blue color and a black. This is the ArmorGrid ArmorAir case from Benks. A really beautiful case that doesn't compromise on durability. It's actually woven from DuPont Kevlar fibers, so it's super durable and super strong, so it definitely can take a drop. It's super slim and has a super minimalist design. You can see on the sides here it has the cutouts for the power button, which is so nice. It comes in at just 1.02 millimeters thin, and it is MagSafe compatible. It also has a really strong aluminum frame around the camera, which will protect it from drops. This is another case from Benks. This is the ArmorGrid ArmorPro, and this one is a full body case, still super thin, still made from that same DuPont Kevlar fiber material, so very durable. Except for this one, it covers the entire edge of the phone, and it has that same aluminum frame around the camera for that extra protection, and it is MagSafe compatible. This is the Sunset case from Pitaka that features the errand buttons. Now these 3 buttons you see on the side here, these are called errand buttons. These are NFC enabled buttons that will actually trigger different commands on your phone. There's an app you download called the Errand Buttons app, and with it you can program cool things like launching your flashlight, launching your own favorite app, or even launching like turn off my Wi-Fi, for example. There's all these cool things you can program. It also comes in a bunch of really awesome styles as well. This is the grip case from Dbrand, a really nice rugged option for those of you that are mainly focused on protecting your phone from drops. It has that rugged bumper around the edge of the phone, and it has extra grips along the bottom to help you with always having a firm grip on the phone. And if you go to dbrand.com, they have a ton of different styles that you can get this case in. Same bumper, but different look on the back. This is an official Samsung case. This is the Slim Magnet case, and it's very minimalistic. It is MagSafe compatible. It has like a plastic feel to it. Pretty slim. It does come in 4 colors. It comes in this black, gray, light blue, and violet. This is the Belkin SheerForce case, a very simple and clean, minimalistic style case. It supports military grade durability and it's drop tested up to 13 feet. And it also supports MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging. This is the frosted glow case from Aulumu, another really nice and stylish case. One thing about Aulumu is that all their cases are so unique in how they look and feel. This one has a great design on the back. It is MagSafe compatible. It also has these anti-slip dots that run along the edge of the phone to make sure you have a strong grip at all times. And as a bonus, the back circle glows in the dark. As a bonus, I wanted to slide in this really cool UltraCharge modular charging dock from Belkin. This is one of the docks I've been using to charge my S26, and it supports Qi 2 wireless charging, so now you can charge your phone at the higher speed. You can also charge your headphones wirelessly and charge your Samsung watch. It also has adapters so you can charge a Google Pixel watch as well, or even an Apple Watch. So I'll link down below in case you guys want to check this out. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you comment below which case was your favorite, and I'm gonna pick a couple of folks out of the comments and I'm gonna send you one of the cases that you mentioned. So make sure you comment down below which case was your favorite. Also, make sure to add in what color of the S26 Ultra you picked up and the storage model. If you got value out of this video, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.